Have you ever had one of those days where your whole body's fine, but your neck feels like it's been in a wrestling match? That's exactly what happened after one of my recent gym sessions. That's what led me to try the MYTREX Medi Neck, as you can see here. This sleek, futuristic looking device promised to relieve neck tension using a combo of EMS, traction, and heat. It's not just a massager, it's a smart recovery tool built for the wellness lifestyle. So the question is, what is the next must-have for gym goers, desk warriors, and content creators like me, who live half their lives hunched over screens? Let's find out. This is a MYTREX Medi Neck 3-in-1 traction device, an advanced at-home neck relief system that combines electrical muscle stimulation, adjustable cervical traction, and customizable heat therapy to realign posture, boost circulation, and help you truly relax. I'm Andrew from Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Today we're diving deep. This is your full review, unboxing, demo, and honest verdict, one of the most high-tech neck recovery tools I've ever tested. We'll walk you through setup, daily use, the science behind the features, who's it best for, and how it compares to other recovery products we've reviewed. And guys, if you wish to purchase this, there's links below. And also make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the Medi Neck itself, an AC power adapter, and a multilingual user manual. The device is sleek and feels like something out of a wellness lab. Soft touch surfaces, dual airbags inside a cradle-like frame, metallic EMS contact points, and a wired remote with a glowing LCD screen. It feels premium right away. Setup is dead simple. Plug it in, dampen your neck with a cloth, lie down on a firm surface, and you're ready to roll. The device is designed to be used on a floor or hard bed, not your typical mattress, to ensure proper traction and lift. Now, someone who pushes my body at the gym and working all the time on content, my neck and upper back get a serious beating. So I took this device seriously. I've been using it, guys, now consistently for over 2 weeks. So here's what happens when you turn it on. The heat activates almost instantly. Even a low setting, it starts soothing that tightness you didn't even realize was building up. Then the EMS kicks in, 20 levels of electrical muscle stimulation, pulsing through your neck muscles. At first it feels strange, like your neck is twitching gently, but once you find the right setting, it becomes like an invisible massage, rhythmically working the tension out. Then comes the traction. Guys, this blew my mind. The dual airbags gently inflate to lift your neck, simulating a real cervical spine stretch. You can choose from 3 traction modes, each designed to target different tension points along your neck. What's more, the Medi Neck has an auto mode that cycles through all 3 features in harmony: EMS, traction, and heat, giving you a full neck treatment in just under 15 minutes. It's like lying in a zero gravity space chair, but without leaving your living room. And the thing is, it's so easy to use as well. Look at the control there and look at the device there. The quality components and the technology really is incredible. And we're gonna go now, I'm gonna lie down, I'm gonna talk you through my experience just now. So here we're about to test and use it. Now to start with, make sure your neck's slightly wet for the EMS to work. You've got to put it this way as well, so your neck faces down that way, if you can see like that, for traction to be most effective. And then lie back and let's switch it on. Now you're gonna start by having it at the base of your neck with the metal parts touching you just there like that. You turn it on now, there's different modes as well. So you've got the EMS, which is the the EMS, which you can start by pressing a button, which is like this. So you press that. So switch on the EMS and you can feel it straight away. It feels like little like just in the back of the neck. Now this is great because it stimulates muscle flow and stimulates your muscles to actually rest and blood flow through them, which is really, really nice. So you can feel that there, and it's not too intense actually. There's different modes too. There's like touch modes and there's zzz modes. Now if you're going to switch on the heat as well, so it has heat settings in there. So heat's really good because it helps soothe your neck and helps you relax. And if you also add in the traction as well by pressing a button, and if you want, let's go and do all at once. So you can press the auto button on the controller just here, and auto means it happen all at once. Now you can see the air lifting up my neck. So it's giving my neck a good stretch, which is so nice. Now let me go and put on the auto. Now again, so you can feel that the EMS modes, some are a bit more higher. So this one's like more intense, zzz, zzz, you can feel. So I was saying with the neck traction as well, what it feels is, as you can see, it's coming right out now. It lifts up and basically it's stretching my neck out lovely. Now, I did a gym workout before and I could feel like and I do a lot of desk work. It feels really great to have a great stretch in my neck. I could feel the heat coming through as well. It's really, really nice. And with the EMS, that lovely pulsing through my body, stimulating my muscles, it really is lovely. So I'm gonna go and have a lay back now, guys, and just enjoy it. I'll come back to you in 15 minutes and give you my full view. So let's do it just now. So it's just finished. I have to say, what a great all-in-one neck solution. I mean, the traction is fantastic. It stretched out my neck, and after a workout, it was so nice. The EMS felt lovely, stimulating my muscles and giving it that relaxation feel. And also the heat coming through my neck was really nice as well. So it's a great all-in-one solution. It's gonna be part of what I'm using to go on with from now on. So you can see, using the Medi Neck is effortless. The remote lets you choose EMS mode, A, B, or AB. Adjust the intensity, activate traction, and control the heat. I love that EMS resets to level 1 each time you switch. So it avoids those accidental high pulse jolts, and it shuts off automatically after 15 minutes. One important tip though, guys, use it on bare, slightly damp skin, and make sure any hair is out of the way so the EMS contacts can work properly. Now, from a technical standpoint, the device is seriously impressive. It uses airbags that expand in sync to cradle your cervical spine. EMS pads that stimulate muscle movement to increase blood flow and reduce stiffness, and heat therapy that further soothes sore muscles and boosts relaxation. It's like having 3 different therapists: chiropractor, massage therapist, and a physiotherapist, all working on you simultaneously. I'm actually surprised how well this worked. Again, I could feel the reduction in pain straight away. I got more flexibility and it was great. So who should buy this? Honestly, if you sit at a desk all day, if you work out regularly, if you get tension headaches, or if you're just into smart wellness tools, this is for you. I've noticed better posture, fewer headaches, and an easier time winding down after work. And unlike massage guns or traditional pillows, this offers a multi-targeted, multi-layered solution that actually feels like therapy. Now guys, I want to hear from you. Do you get neck pain working at a desk or training hard? What recovery tools are you in your routine right now? Let me know in the comments. I'm really curious to see what works. A quick reminder, if you enjoy this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We do real world tech reviews every week, and every sub helps bring you more no-nonsense highlights. Also, if you find affiliate links in the description, use these to support the channel and get you access to the gear directly. Back to the Medi Neck. This isn't just another passive wellness gadget. It's interactive, effective, and built to deliver consistent results. If you use it properly, some users may need a bit more time to adjust the EMS pulses, and yes, results do take consistent use, like with anything. But that's true of any effective tool. I wouldn't recommend this, guys, if it was a one-trick pony, but it's not. It's easily one of the most advanced neck devices I've tested, and also one of the most comprehensive too. I mean, the technology in it is quite extraordinary. To wrap up, the MYTREX Medi Neck 3-in-1 traction device is a smart investment for anyone serious about recovery, posture, or neck health. It's not cheap, guys, but it delivers. It's tech forward, compact, and surprisingly relaxing. Think of it as your daily reset button, and one that might save you a trip to the physio. And again, guys, just going to physio in Australia can cost you like $150, so I know from experience. So thanks for watching. And I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'm Andrew from Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and if you've got a neck, of course you do, this might be your next favorite gadget.